Good morning and welcome to Monday Musings for March 9th, 2020. I want to take just a few moments this morning to update where we are in the School of Education and campus-wide. As you're aware, the COVID-19 situation continues to evolve and progress. May I say to you that right now, as far as the School of Education and the JSU campus is concerned, we are considering continuing normal operations until further notice. And further notice will depend upon the wisdom of the administrative team, the COVID task force that is meeting regularly, constantly, and have been since this situation evolved. 2 or 3 comments that I will make. Number 1, there are no confirmed cases in the state of Alabama as yet. Number 2, the 2 students from JSU who live out of state, who came in contact with an individual in a hospital there in Georgia who had the coronavirus, contacted that person when they were asymptomatic, but when the person became symptomatic and was confirmed as having the coronavirus, the 2 students were quarantined. They worked in that institution. They had been on campus, but all of the areas where they attended were mitigated, disinfected, over and above the call of duty. So those 2 students are doing fine. They have no symptoms that have emerged as yet, and we hope that will continue to be the case. So of course, JSU and all of our administration, including the Dean's Council, is continuing with contingency planning and trying to answer and address all of the what-ifs. And so at the current time, there are no impositions of contingency plans or anything else other than personal common sense, which simply says, wash your hands. Take precautions that you would normally take. Additionally, this morning I heard that basically the persons who, this reconfirms what we've heard before, that the persons who are at greatest risk of difficulty from the coronavirus are those who are the elderly who have underlying conditions, pulmonary insufficiencies or some other sorts of underlying conditions, autoimmune problems and so forth. It seems like the primary cut age for people being most susceptible to difficulty with the coronavirus is 60 and above. And I think the median age for mortality is 80. So I'm in that group, and we'll be taking appropriate precautions, washing my hands, and so forth. Basically, I want to reaffirm to you and reassure you that we are on top of the situation, and our students, of course, have many questions, and we want you to answer the questions, and I'll be providing information from the administration to you probably during the day and as the day goes on today, and certainly as the week progresses. We want to be able to ensure that students are able to complete the semester appropriately with no threats to academic integrity and no losses of instructional relative and necessary instructional benefit that may come their way. So thank you for your patience and your diligence, and thank you for working with a steady hand and continuing to be the professionals that you all are. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me or call me. I made a decision to stay on campus this week rather than go to the CAPE conference in New Orleans, where we have a couple of other representatives. And I made that decision after consultation with the provost and who wanted all the deans to be involved in the planning meetings and potential contingency plans and so forth. So that is the reason that I chose not to go to the CAPE conference, and I'm remaining on campus this week. So if you have any questions or want to chat, please come by and feel free to do so. I hope you have a great Monday, and that you will be well, and you will encourage your students, and that you will remain calm and continue to press forward as others are diligently overseeing our contingency plans here at JSU. Thank you very much.